Okay, so yeah, we are at this question. First bad version. This is a easy level question of LeetCode, and see, you are a product manager and you are currently leading a team to develop a new product. Unfortunately, the last version of your product uh, failed the quality check. And since each version is developed based on the previous version, all the versions after a bad version are also bad. So okay, so if suppose you have launched five products and fourth is bad, so all the product after fourth version are also bad. So okay, and we have to do it in O of login. Okay, so yeah, it is not mentioned here, but O of login is best. Otherwise, you can do this using binary search. That's why this is easy. But if you are using binary search, this is not easy. Not easy. Those who know the logic, easy for them. But those who don't know, not easy for them. See, our number will number will start from one and they will go up to n. And using binary search is the best approach here, according to me. You can do this, you can do this by linear search. This is very easy. You just have to iterate up to n, and whenever you find any bad version, return that I. Okay, but we do not have to do it using binary using a brute force approach. So see, I'll write this after this. Let me find mid. Let m is equals to math. Now again I'm using this math.floor because we in JavaScript, I'm using this mat.floor because in JavaScript we do not have some data type like int that will convert our floating number to integer. So to convert my floating number to integer, I'm using this. You can if you are using another any other language, you can do that in your language. That's very easy and simple. So see, now I will apply this is bad version function on this m. See why I'm doing this. I will tell you. Is bad uh, version. See, I will apply this to bad. So see, suppose my array is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and my first bad element, I'm writing this 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Yes, suppose my first bad version is see, my middle element will be 3 here, and I'm finding my first bad version. So suppose my first bad version is 4. Okay, so 4 is my first bad version, so 3 will result in a good version. Yes, so if 3 is a good version, all the versions before 3 are also good. Yes, we know this. 3 and before 3 cannot be a bad version. So what we will do here, see, I'm cutting this. Uh, wait, yes, and L is equals to M plus 1. Yes, and wait, yes, sorry. So else, see, else, suppose if it is not a bad version. Suppose if my middle is not a bad version, I'm again showing you the example. Suppose my first bad version is 2 and my middle is 3. So after 2, all the versions are bad and my middle element is 3. So 3 is also a bad version. Yes. So 3 is also a bad version. And suppose 3 is my first bad version. So after 3 and 3 are also bad version. All the elements after 3 and 3 is also a bad version. So we don't know here. 3 can be a bad version and before 3 we can also find a bad version. Yes. So I will reduce it. R is equals to M. See why I'm doing this. Suppose my first bad version is 2. Okay. And my middle element is 3. I will reduce my array to this, up to this only. My array will become something like this. And this all would be gone. Okay. Now my middle element is 2. And now I will check is bad version M giving me true? No. See, uh, bad version of 3 return you false. Okay. So this will give me is if it is false, then I will do this, else I will give this. Yes, so see, if my bad version is 2, okay, and 2 is 2 bad version, yes, 2 is bad version, so I will reduce this array like this. Now my middle element is 1. 1 is bad version, 1 is not a bad version, first bad version was 2. So I will shift my L to L and R will come here. When L is equals to R, stop this loop, otherwise run it till less than L less than equal to R. And now see, suppose the first bad version is 3 only. Okay, so my middle is 3, and see, if it is my 3 is first bad version, so I will use R is equals to M. Okay, middle is bad. So middle, this will check, is middle is bad version of middle giving me false or true. If it is giving me false, it will execute this if block, else it will execute this block. So middle of 3 is giving me true, so it will execute this block, r is equals to m. My array will become this. Now my middle will be 2. My middle is 2. 2 is not a bad version, L will go this, and that's it. We have done it. And now let me return what? You can return R or L, whatever you want. So my while loop is closing here, and I'm running it. See, this will, I have this confidence this will run. This is okay. Okay, maths. Okay, so I wrote wrong spelling of math. Otherwise, this code is totally correct. And okay, you are too submitting frequently. Wait. Judging and see. And if I submit this, this should be the code. And see, it is accepted, and that's totally right. And we are doing it O of log n. See, analyze complexity O of log n, because we are using binary search. So thank you so much. That was the question, and this question is easy, not that tough. Using binary search as well, this is very easy question, and you should be able to do this. Okay, so thank you so much.